Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply for a credit card from the Wells Fargo bank through your PC. First, you're going to open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar or the search bar, you're going to type in Wells Fargo. Click on the first link that you see from Wells Fargo. And once the page loads, you're gonna scroll down and you'll find this box right there, find a credit card. You're gonna click on it. So right here you can see their list of different cards with different benefits and different merits. They do have a kind of a categories section right there, so you can search for your needs easily. So let's say I am gonna apply for this one, right? So I'm gonna click on apply now, click on continue. You'll not see this is just for me. So first you're gonna enter your email address to start your application. So you're gonna do just that. So let's say I'm gonna use a temporary email just for the sake of the video. There is okay, so I'm just going to use the temporary address and click on continue. There you're gonna need a password, so let's say I'm just gonna use a password. And click on next. Then you need a first name, last name, date of birth, and phone number. So this kind of form continues and continues until you fill all of them. So right now they're asking for the phone number. Next they'll ask for a your social security number or any bank accounts you have and all the stuff. They'll show you their terms and conditions and the benefits that you're getting from the card and what you need to do to manage the card and all that other stuff. You just fill the form, read the terms and conditions, and tick on their agree the terms and conditions, and just click on continue, and just like that you have successfully applied for a credit card from Wells Fargo. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.